Hey guys, how's it going? I know that, but this is a laptop and you've already read the title, so we'll be talking about the best laptops that you can buy under 35,000. Trust me, this was quite a task because I had initially thought of a different price segment, but then my boss was like, let's just aim for 35,000 because a lot of guys are on tight budget. And I was like, yeah, for 35,000, can you really get some good machines? Well, I searched the internet, took out my review list of devices that I've tested, and turns out there are some pretty interesting and very good value for money devices that you can buy. That's what this video is all about. This is Varun from Guiding Tech, and today we'll be talking about the best laptops that you can buy under 35,000 for each and every different use case or utility needs. Let's get started. Alright, so let's start off with some business users who just need a lightweight and very portable laptop with a good keyboard, which is why my first go-to recommendation for business users under 35,000 has to be the Lenovo ThinkPad. Yeah, you might sound surprised, but Lenovo does offer a ThinkPad under this price segment. It comes with a Core i3 10th gen processor coupled with, just 4GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB of HDD storage. There's no SSD here, but you're still paying a good price for that excellent ThinkPad keyboard and a good skew of I/O ports as well. The laptop does come with DOS, so you will have to install your own copy of Windows. Now, if you're looking for an alternative to the Lenovo ThinkPad in the same price segment, the HP 14S is a very good option simply because of its one unique feature. Of course, that unique feature is that the laptop comes with a 4G SIM slot right inside the laptop. So you can just plug in a SIM card and use internet on it while being on the go. As for the specifications, it comes with a 10th gen Intel Core i3 coupled with 8GB of DDR4 RAM along with a 256GB SSD and Windows 10 Home. So yeah, if you compare it with the Lenovo ThinkPad, of course you get more RAM, a better storage and a copy of licensed Windows, but you do miss out on that ThinkPad premium keyboard and touchpad, so there's that. Now for budget users, I think we can club your school needs, your home needs and your so-called multimedia entertainment needs into one category. So let's just talk about some options under this kind of a segment of users. And my go-to recommendation for budget laptops, for multi-purpose budget laptops has always been ASUS VIVOBOOks, simply because of how great value for money devices they are. For about 35k, you can get the ASUS VIVOBOOK 14 that once again comes with a Core i3 10th gen, 4GB of RAM and a 512GB of SSD. It's quite lightweight at just 1.4 kgs and is one of the most premium looking laptops under this segment. We recently did a video talking about a different variant of the VIVOBOOK 14, so you can take a look at the overall design and form factor of the laptop. And what I'm trying to basically make you guys understand is that for the price that you pay, the VIVOBOOK 14 is a multi-utility laptop that should aid you for pretty much all your needs. Of course, the best alternative to that under this category has to be the Mi Notebook. See, we've already reviewed the Mi Horizon Edition, which is it has better competition in that premium price segment, but for budget users around the 35k mark, the Mi laptop offers quite a lot of features. So once again, you get the standard Core i3 10th gen processor coupled with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of SSD and a laptop package that weighs just 1.5 kgs. And speaking about the package, this is one of my favorite designs out there on a laptop simply because it's so minimalistic. Of course, if you want to flaunt your laptop, the ASUS VIVOBOOK might suit your liking more. But personally, I do admire the minimalistic design of the Mi Notebook, which has practically zero branding and just the Mi logo up front. Okay, now this might sound like a weird suggestion, but I just really wanted to put it out there. If you are, interested in buying a laptop for your home needs, or you're a student buying a laptop for your education needs, or you just buy a laptop for watching a movie or a couple of games on this budget, whatever sort of a user you are. But yeah, if you're into all of that, I would actually suggest skipping both these options and actually getting an Apple iPad, the newer one with the Apple A12 Bionic chipset. The iPad starts at 29,000 and couple that with a smart keyboard and you're getting around 38,000, and that's a pretty good package. Of course, you can buy the Apple Pencil as well to further enhance your productivity. But the whole advantage here is that this is probably the most portable laptop kind of a machine on this list. And of course, it's quite multi-purpose. The touchscreen is great. iPad OS has matured into something that can very easily replace your laptop needs for most users. So yeah, if you do not want to necessarily spend on a laptop, the iPad is a very good option. Now let's talk about the other category, which is gamers or content creators. See, these are people who need high performance machines. Of course, getting a lot of power from a laptop that's priced under 35k is very, very tough. So you'll have to make some compromises some way or the other. But yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, just keep your expectations realistic. Don't expect to be like playing 4K games or even playing games at 60 FPS on 1080p, to be very frank with you, or editing a lot of video files. Just keep our expectations real, and you might be able to get some very good value for money, high performance laptops under 35,000. And my go-to recommendation, well, not go-to be very frank with you, I'll tell you why, but my first recommendation in this category is from AVITA. It's called the AVITA LIBER version 14. See, in terms of the spec sheet, it's a very feature-packed laptop. It comes with a Ryzen 5 quad-core chipset 3500U, coupled with 8GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD, and a licensed copy of Windows 10 Home. It's quite lightweight at just 1.25 kgs, has a very premium design with ultra-narrow bezels and a fingerprint scanner up top as well. The laptop also adds on a licensed copy of MS Office, so that's great. The only reason why I do not feel entirely sure about this laptop is because I have had issues with the service team previously. Now, last I checked, they do not have their own service retailers. They're partnering with other companies, and also AVITA is a brand that's brought to you by NextGo. And yeah, basically they've reached out to other service centers to help them facilitate with the services. So yeah, it will be a couple of months before I can wholeheartedly recommend AVITA products. And if you still have the fear about that, I can totally understand that, because see, if I was a consumer, obviously I'd be attracted by the kind of spec sheets and the kind of value for money features that they're offering. But at the same time, I would feel that, yeah, what if something goes wrong? The better option against this would be the Lenovo IdeaPad. Not the ThinkPad, the IdeaPad. So the IdeaPad S145 comes with a Ryzen 5 3500U, couples it with a 4GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB of hard disk. So you do miss out on the SSD storage and 4GB of DDR4 RAM, which is, well, a pretty big compromise for a lot of users, but you do gain the satisfaction of buying a laptop from Lenovo, which has one of the best supports in this country. So yeah, there's that. Of course, if you can extend your budget, we already have a video talking about the best laptops that you can buy under 50,000. So make sure to check that video out from the link in the description box or from a card here. Also, you might be wondering what this laptop is all about and why did I have it in front of you. Well, one, because the theme of this video was laptops, and two, this is the MSI Modern 14. I just had it in my backpack because I've been reviewing it. I've been testing it for the past 2 weeks and I do have some thoughts. So if you are interested in watching a review of this laptop, make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and have the bell notification turned on so that you don't miss an update when this review goes live. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.